Udal Train Law. Section 34 L. Optional Standard Deduction OSD. In lieu of the deductions allowed under the preceding subsections, an individual subject to tax under Section 24, other than a non-resident alien, may elect a standard deduction in an amount not exceeding 40% of his gross sales or gross receipts, as the case may be. In the case of a corporation subject to tax under Section 27, Paragraph A and 28, Paragraph A, Subparagraph 1, it may elect a standard deduction in an amount not exceeding 40% of its gross income as defined in Section 32 of this code, unless the taxpayer